What's up, beautiful people? Now, as we all know, we are at the beginning stages of the next bull run. Now, this bull run is probably going to be the biggest bull run we have ever seen in the crypto space, but probably also the last of its kind. I doubt we are going to have any significant bull runs from here on out, simply because of the institutional adoption that is coming up. From this point forth, we have seen a lot of pumps, specifically from the BlackRock, Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock is responsible for a lot of the pumps that we're seeing in the market. Therefore, we have decided to come up with a series of videos talking about the next 5x, 8x, 10x, 100x crypto coins projects that are going to enable you make some good money or be a part of really, really interesting stuff. But today we have 3 projects, and these are AI projects. AI is going to be the leading sector that spearheads this bull run. The leading, which means that the projects that are going to be at the top, those that are going to make the most amount of gains, the biggest amount of gains, are going to be AI coins, simply because we are in the AI era. This whole AI thing started to go viral when we saw ChatGPT way back in 2022. I think it is when ChatGPT started. That's when we started to hear a lot about AI, and most of these AI coins started to, jump even after the previous bull run. They were having crazy, crazy gains. All right, so the first project we bring to you is called LimeWire. One of the things that caught my eye with this specific project is, one, the investors, the money, the backing that they have. These guys have backing from Crypto.com, CMC Global, Deadmo, Swissborg, Dow Jones, Aragon Capital, Kraken Ventures. These guys have solid backing. And you know what? How the saying goes, look at where the big money goes. That's where the market is going. And if big money is investing in this, it's grounds for us to look into it. Now, as in, what exactly is LimeWire? We're going to get into that. Now, the next thing that actually caught our eye is the fact that this specific project has the second largest Discord community, and it has been active for, give or take, it started in May last year, so it launched like 8 months ago, and it has the second largest Discord community. That is crazy. It is only second to Midjourney. And if you know Midjourney, for those who do not know Midjourney is the best and biggest image generation AI model. Most of these dope, hyper-realistic pictures that we've been seeing online, Midjourney, dope. And this is second to that. Just that Midjourney doesn't have a crypto token. So, there's that. But the second best, the only project that comes close to Midjourney, which launched 8 months ago, Midjourney is more than close to 2 years old. This project launched 8 months ago, and it has 2.3 million Discord members. Million. Right next to Midjourney. Of course, in comparison to Midjourney, it is, peanuts. Because Midjourney is 17 million, but it is the second. Now, that ticks the box of community. So it has a very strong and solid community. Those are already grounds for you to look into this project. And on top of that, what exactly does this project do? Like Midjourney, it is also specifically into AI image, video, and audio generation. As per now, they only have AI image generation, and as you can see, all these are AI generated images. All this that you see here are AI generated images. I went ahead to create a few images to check out the model, if it's a real model, because in crypto, 99% of projects, give or take 80 to 90% have no utility. They are not real. And so you will find a token that says they do AI, but they don't have a real world sort of use case. Now, I went ahead to test out the AI model, and the AI model is amazing. It is amazing. It is actually like Midjourney. You can argue about it, but it is comparable to Midjourney, in my point of view. But I went ahead to create a few AI generated images, and I was blown away. I really, really loved it. They have also video generation, a video generation model that is going to be added to this. I think we've all seen, if we have not, OpenAI recently came up with a new model called Sora. It's a crazy video generation model. Very crazy. Hyper realistic video generation, all fully AI made. And that's the era now we're in. LimeWire is sort of it's also going to launch that same it's also going to launch that same model differently, of course, not Sora, but a video generation model with audio as well, right? And as you can see, of course, here videos, images, audio. So many of these are going to be launched soon. But as far as the utility is now, it is specifically so good. Its model Blue Willow is so good at image generation, and that I really loved it. Now let's check the tokenomics out. All right. So to begin with, the market cap is only $45 million. Market cap, fully diluted, 598. But that's nothing compared to where this project could go. We have seen AI tokens skyrocket to billions. This is only 597 million. It launched again, like I mentioned, in May. And as we very well know, we're in a bear market, so it didn't do much, but it started to pick up around the start of this current bull run. But this project hasn't done nearly what it's capable of doing. It hasn't come close to what it is capable of doing. I see this going up at least 7x. At least 7x. At least 7x. Fully diluted market cap, this project could go to 5 billion. Because of one, as we have seen, I think, let me also scroll down here, the investors, Kraken Ventures, Crypto.com, Deadmo, Aragon Capital, HiveMind, it has solid backing. 2, it has a solid community. It has the second largest Discord. 3, it is building real AI stuff. It is going hardcore at this. So this project has grounds. In fact, it is one of the best projects I have identified thus far. One of the best. And this is LimeWire. All right. Let's go on to the next one. Okay. This is a project called Ocean. This is a bit on the larger scale. It is a major project. And what it does is it tokenizes, as you can see here, tokenized AI and data, right? So it has a very interesting protocol. It has, open source tooling for building dApps. People can build token gated applications, right? And it also has its own .js protocol. These are for coders. So it does, Ocean contracts and building, of course, token gated applications. Think about OpenSea, think about NFT marketplaces. People who want to monetize data are using this, right? So it's a major data science project. This project it also had its run in the last bull run, so it was existent in the last bull run, and it didn't do badly. It did well, actually, as we're about to see in the tokenomics, but this also has grounds to be looked into. Now, what are its tokenomics like? As we can see that this specific project had a very good run in the last bull run of 2021. A very good run, a very, very good run in the last bull run. It is now picking up again in this bull run, and it's coming close to its all-time high, as we can see here. Yet we have not even reached the crisp of this current bull run. This again is going to be the biggest bull run that we have ever seen, and it is already almost topping its all-time high. Current market cap is 598 million, and fully diluted is 1.4 billion. Circulating supply 40%. Now, circulating supply, most of these the remaining 60% are going to be given out as network rewards, so you don't have to worry about is there going to be any unlock event and then they dump on you. No, so they are mostly going to be network rewards. But as we can see that it did well in the previous bull run, it's almost reaching its all-time high, and it also dropped a bit because of the current crash. But this project is going to do well. The previous bull run, AI was not a big thing like that. In fact, AI was not a conversation. They were gaming tokens that were doing amazing, that were doing really well in the previous bull run. Now, artificial intelligence is going to top the chart. So, what am I saying here? I see this project doing about at least a 5x. At least a 5x from here. So think about it. Think about it from 5 to 8x, 5 to 8x, but it could go to a fully diluted valuation of even 15 billion, because this current bull run is going to be, again, like I mentioned, the biggest. The last bull run, the crypto market cap went over $3 trillion. It's anticipated that this bull run, the crypto market cap is going to go over $7 trillion. So at a $7 trillion crypto valuation, this project can easily do 15 billion. An AI data science project, 15 billion. And it is listed on almost all the exchanges you know about. So that is also good. It has a good level or good amount of liquidity. Amazing volumes, as you can see on Binance, 24-hour volume, 20 million. On Coinbase, 7.5 million, 7.2 million, 6 million, 4 million. So this is really, 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 it holds water. It holds good water. The 24-hour volume is 76 million. It's good. It is really, really good. Now, I think that this is a bit of a good low-risk project. And so I say low risk because it has a good amount of, one, volumes to support that, two, listed exchange listings to support that as well, which is amazing. This is also a project that you can probably look into. I see this doing, again, like I mentioned, 5 to 8x. So this is something also to check out, right? And the last project I have for you is Arkham. Now, for those that have been in the crypto space, you probably saw this project sometime around last year, right? One of the things that made this project viral is they had an insane airdrop. Very insane airdrop. People made millions. People made hundreds of thousands. I know a few people that made hundreds of thousands. Before they launched, they had an insane airdrop. So you'll find that, if you know about this, you'll probably know about it from that and a few extra things that have happened in the crypto market. So this project has, give or take, been also live for 8 months. So it's also seeing its first bull run. And what exactly does it do? This project says they de-anonymize the blockchain. So regardless of your sentiments, it's working. The utility is viable. And one of the things that I love about them as well is the backing. This is one of the projects that Sam Altman was an investor in. Now, if you don't know Sam Altman is the CEO of the largest AI company currently. You guessed it, OpenAI, exactly. So he is the CEO of the largest AI company currently, and he was an investor in this project. That should tell you something. CEO of the leading AI company in the world right now is an investor in an AI project, crypto token. Does it ring any bells? Again, look at where the big money is going. That's where the market is going. Now, it de-anonymizes the blockchain. And how does it do that? People use it for more or less tracking on-chain data. People use it for deep wallet analysis. So to look at, again, how to find where the big money is going is to track and analyze wallets of whales. Now, here, as you can see, I already put in one wallet, and it's very good at doing that. It has very good metrics. These are some of, this is the portfolio, $3.1 million in this specific address, balance history in a graph, transaction history. Like this is amazing. And meanwhile, it also has something very interesting. Of course, it also punches AI in this. So it uses AI to analyze most of this data. So this is all the bubble map, but it sort of analyzes and organizes the data in more of a presentable format. So this specific wallet has interacted with these addresses. Some of these are other, of course, wallets, and these are exchanges, definitely, as you can see here, Get.io. It is a very good product that punches artificial intelligence with data science, and so it gets that and merges it together. And it gives you this product called Arkham. We de-anonymize the blockchain. And it's very good at that. It's the best AI solution that I've seen thus far that does this. At least it is the best at its level. You see that many people use it for deep wallet analysis. Many people use it for also finding what is going to be the next pump and dump, because crypto whales are highly, highly responsible for a lot of the pumps that we see in the market. And the best way to track what is the next pump and up is to analyze some of their wallets. Which tokens are they holding? Which tokens are they reloading? Which tokens are they buying? And why are they buying these tokens? Sometimes you may not even understand why, but because you've seen something in a crypto wallet or a crypto whale's wallet, you will buy it and you will see that, man, oh man, you did the right move. Like, that was actually the right move to actually buy this specific token. Why? Because it doesn't mean that it has utility, but it's just going to be pumped by crypto whales, right? But yes, that is a visual map, the one I just showed you, the bubble map, the visual bubble map, and it is really, really good at that. Like I told you, again, Sam Altman is an investor in Arkham. And of course, some of us know that he also has his own project called WorldCoin. WorldCoin has really been doing well as well. And this is an article to just basically justify that Arkham and WorldCoin prices rally up in digital digits. Sam Altman AI coins on the move. So how are the tokenomics of this specific project? Again, it launched 8 months ago. So it's also seeing its first bull run. And it is currently at $2.4 at a market cap of 364 million. The fully diluted market cap is 2.4 billion. And that's because the circulating supply, as you can see here, is only 15%. Now, of course, if you're good at doing your own research, you'll understand that this can be a red flag because, tokens can be released in the next month after you buying your bag and they dump on you, right? And they dump on you. So why is this circulating supply low? Again, the project launched 8 months ago. So it's seeing its first bull run, as we can see here. And it has a long way to go from that. But let me just show you the vested schedule. Now, this is the vested schedule. It is having 2 unlock seasons or 2 unlock tables that we are in currently. One is for 37%, which is supposed to happen over the time or over a 5 years time frame. And then the second is the foundation treasury, which is a 17.2%, which is also supposed to happen over a 7-year period. And this is going to be done in beats and phases per month, right? And as of today, we have 0.1% of the market cap that is being unlocked. Therefore, if this is happening over a 7-year period, give or take that by the end of this bull run, or in about 12 months, the circulating supply is going to be around 19-20%. Because there are very small amounts of this that are being unlocked every month, and this is going to go on for 5 years, and this is going to go on for 7 years. I don't know if that makes sense. So that is not as big of a red flag for me. It would have been a very big red flag if, for example, we are having a huge amount of tokens, especially tokens for investors and founders that are being unlocked on a specific day. That would be a red flag, because you definitely know that they are probably going to either dump on you, or the valuation may decrease because of the number of circulating supply tokens per token. The valuation per token may decrease. But this is not a big red flag for me. Unlocking 36% of the market cap, or 36% of the circulating or total tokens, total supply over a 5-year period, and 17% over a 7-year period is not bad. It's actually not bad. So this project also, I know that this project is going to do really good. I anticipate this project doing at least 5 to 7x, which means that This could go anywhere to fully diluted, can go anywhere to $20 billion valuation. And again, like I told you, AI projects, AI coins are going to do really well in this current bull run. They are going to be the most and the best performing tokens. So the question is, which AI tokens are you going to put your funds in? Which AI tokens are you going to identify and put your money in? And trust me that there are going to be a lot of, again, people that know that AI tokens are going to perform well. Therefore, they are going to create their own sort of projects that are going to dump on you. And so you need to be able to identify the right projects to put your money in. So which question should you ask yourself? What is the utility of the project? What does it do? And does it do what it actually says it does? Because we have seen a lot of projects or coins in the crypto space that say they do X, yet they never really do X. It's all about the coins, right? So does it really do what it says it does? 2, how are the investors? Which investors does it have? And are they real investors? 3, which exchanges is it listed on? Which exchanges is it listed on? 4, the volumes. What are the daily volumes? 5, what is the circulating supply? That is very important. What is the circulating supply? And after you found that out, you need to know when the next unlocking event is going to happen, because that definitely tells you that there are going to be now more tokens in circulation, and the tokenomics definitely differ according to the circulating supply, right? So these are all questions you need to ask yourself, little among others, but you also need to take into account what the community is saying about the project. Do people like it? Are people enthusiastic about it? Because the market never lies, right? The market really never lies. Are people enthusiastic about the project? But these are a few projects that you could look into, that you could put your bag. Again, this is not, and I repeat, this is not financial advice. So do your own research on these projects. Do your own research on these specific projects. Don't take this as gospel truth. This is research done by us, Muda, the company. And so before you put money into any of these projects, please, 1, put money that you're able or you can afford to lose, but also understand that any decision you make from henceforth is a decision you have conclusively come to. So do your own research, right? But yes, thank you very much. These are a few of the AI tokens that could possibly make you, some good money in this current bull run that we are headed into. We're going to have many more of these kinds of episodes, many more of these kinds of videos to basically bring you some gems, bring you some good tokens and projects that you could look into for possible investment. I hope you found this useful and valuable. Till next time, cheers.